Fashion is ruthless. It crowns new queens every season and throws yesterday's darlings straight out of the palace gates. Some styles are stepping into their royal moment, while others are quietly bowing out. My name is Aisha, and today's topic is what's in and out for fall 2025. Fashion trends you can't ignore. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance so you never miss the secrets to staying ahead of the curve with timeless sophistication. 1. 90s denim skirts. The 90s have a way of sneaking back into our closets, and this fall, the short denim skirt is reclaiming its spotlight. Think of Cindy Crawford, Britney Spears, or even the cool girl from your favorite 90s teen movie. It's playful, flirty, and surprisingly versatile when styled the right way. This trend has replaced the long boho denim maxis that dominated the last couple of seasons. Those sweeping skirts had their moment, but fashion is craving a shorter, sharper energy. The maxi felt romantic, but the mini feels confident and a little rebellious, which is exactly the vibe for fall 2025. For a casual, everyday look, pair your denim skirt with a crisp white button-down shirt and sneakers, effortless and clean. For a chic Parisian twist, tuck in a striped knit top, add loafers, and throw a trench coat over your shoulders. And if you want an edgy night look, style it with a leather jacket, sheer tights, and ankle boots. You get comfort, you get style, and most importantly, you get that "I didn't try too hard, but I look amazing" appeal. 2. Boxy workwear jackets. There's a new queen in the outerwear kingdom, and it's the boxy workwear jacket. Think of it as the rebellious younger sister of the classic tailored blazer. Less stiff, more relaxed, but still polished enough to make an impact. This season, the runways from Paris to Milan made one thing clear. Structure is still in, but comfort is the new luxury. The beauty lies in their adaptability. For a smart office look, layer a boxy jacket over wide-leg trousers with sleek loafers. It gives you a professional yet modern silhouette. For a weekend vibe, pair it with straight-leg jeans and a turtleneck, letting the jacket do the heavy lifting while keeping the look casual but chic. Want a touch of elegance for a night out? Belt the jacket at the waist, throw on some heeled boots, and suddenly, it's less workwear and more runway. What's out? The overly fitted, waist-pinching blazers that once dominated Zoom calls and boardrooms. Yes, those slim, tight office blazers that left you gasping for air after lunch are finally stepping aside. In their place, boxy workwear jackets bring ease, versatility, and that effortless, "I just threw this on" sophistication. 3. Corporate pants. This fall, corporate pants are no longer confined to the boardroom. They're stepping confidently into every corner of life. Think structured, high-waisted trousers with sharp pleats, clean lines, and flowing fabrics. Icons like Katharine Hepburn wore them to challenge the norms. And today, women like Victoria Beckham and Amal Clooney prove they're the definition of chic power dressing. And what's out? The ultra-tight skinny pants that clung to every curve are finally bowing out. After years of dominating wardrobes, they now feel dated and restrictive. Corporate pants replace them with structure, freedom, and sophistication that still flatter without suffocating. How to style them? For a classic office look, pair them with a crisp white shirt, a tailored blazer, and loafers. The ultimate uniform of confidence. For a relaxed weekend outfit, wear wide-leg corporate trousers with a tucked-in knit top and sneakers. It's effortless but polished. For an evening out, swap the sneakers for heeled Mary Janes, add a silk camisole, and drape a leather jacket over your shoulders for a mix of softness and edge. And for street-style chic, belt your trousers high at the waist, add a fitted cardigan, and finish with chunky loafers. It's understated but impactful. 4. Button-up cardigans. The humble button-up cardigan is no longer just your grandmother's weekend knit. It's one of the chicest layering pieces of fall 2025. From Audrey Hepburn's effortless cardigan moments to Katie Holmes' viral cashmere cardigan set in New York, history has shown us that this piece has always had quiet power. This season, designers have elevated it with luxe fabrics, cropped proportions, and sleek tailoring, making it more than just cozy. It's downright elegant. And what has it replaced? Say goodbye to the slouchy, oversized hoodies that once ruled coffee runs and casual outings. The cardigan is stepping in as the refined, versatile alternative that still gives comfort but with poise and polish. For a classic day look, wear a fitted button-up cardigan tucked into high-waisted trousers with loafers. It's minimal but sharp. For a Parisian-inspired outfit, drape a cropped cardigan over a silk slip skirt and ballet flats. a look that whispers effortless femininity. For office sophistication, layer a fine knit cardigan under a blazer, buttoning it up like a top for a polished edge. And for a date night twist, leave a cardigan half buttoned, pair it with slim jeans, and finish with pointed heels. It's subtle, flirty, and elegant all at once. 5. Slip dress and slip skirt. Few things whisper elegance like a slip dress or slip skirt, and this season they're not just whispering, they're making a grand entrance. Once reserved for the boudoir or Kate Moss-inspired 90s minimalism, the slip silhouette is back in full force for fall 2025, celebrated for its fluidity, femininity, and versatility. The slip has replaced the overly structured bodycon dresses and pencil skirts that ruled the last few years. The days of squeezing into rigid cuts that left little room to breathe are over. Now, fashion is moving towards effortless drape, movement, and quiet sensuality. For a daytime chic look, pair a slip skirt with a cozy oversized knit and ballet flats. Comfort meets sophistication. For a work-appropriate ensemble, layer a slip dress under a tailored blazer with heeled loafers, striking the perfect balance between professional and feminine. And for a glamorous evening out, let the slip dress shine with strappy heels, a sleek clutch, and bold sculptural jewelry. If you're feeling edgy, try a street-style twist. Add a leather jacket and chunky boots to contrast the softness of the fabric. The beauty of the slip is its duality. It can be as delicate as a whisper or as powerful as a statement. No wonder icons from Carolyn Bessette Kennedy to modern muses like Zoe Kravitz keep returning to it. It never truly goes out of style. It just waits for the right season to reignite. 6. Mary Jane shoes. They say history repeats itself, and nothing proves it better than the comeback of Mary Jane shoes. Once the schoolgirl staple seen in vintage photos, and even on Judy Garland in The Wizard of Oz, this season they've graduated into a polished, grown-up essential. Designers have reimagined them with chunky heels, glossy leather, and even satin finishes, making them a chic alternative to predictable footwear. For a classic day look, wear flat Mary Janes with cropped tailored trousers and a tucked-in blouse. It's Parisian chic in one step. For an edgy twist, pair patent Mary Janes with sheer tights, a pleated mini skirt, and an oversized jacket. It's a little rebellious, a little refined. If you're after office elegance, go for block-heeled Mary Janes with a midi dress or slip skirt, creating a polished yet effortless look. And for a night out, metallic or embellished Mary Janes can replace your sky-high stilettos, proving elegance doesn't always require pain. So, what's out? The reign of platform sneakers and bulky dad shoes has finally fizzled. While those once felt like the street-style uniform, they've started looking clunky and dated. Mary Janes bring back charm, femininity, and just the right amount of nostalgia, without sacrificing comfort. Now tell me, which of these out trends are you secretly holding on to, even if the fashion world says goodbye? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if elegance is your language, make sure to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance for more timeless style wisdom.